Chef Justin Timoneri here with Fresh from Florida, coming at you from my home in the capital city. I'd like to talk a little bit about Florida's farmers, fishermen, and ranchers that are out there working incredibly hard to make sure that we have a safe, healthy, and delicious supply of food. So please, when you're out there shopping, make sure to look for locally produced products and look for the Fresh from Florida seal to know that you're buying Florida products. We also have a ton of great recipes on followfreshfromflorida.com, utilizing all these wonderful ingredients that I got today at my local grocery, like Florida citrus, celery, peppers, eggs, blueberries coming in, tomatoes, corn, eggplant, zucchini, squash, arugula. The list goes on and on. So please, when you're shopping, look for the Fresh from Florida seal and stay healthy.